Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art video, Julie will be reviewing a new gel polish that claims to be odorless, one step, meaning that there's no base or top coat needed, and most interesting of all, it supposedly soaks off without the need of acetone. Apparently this gel polish will soak off just by using rubbing alcohol. So today, Julie will be testing out this new gel nail polish for you guys.
Hey guys, it's Julie. Now let's get started with the review. Beetle's Gel is a one-step gel polish that claims to be natural, odorless, and soaks off with alcohol. We got this off Amazon and it retails for a little over $10. The gel comes in a nice box with a Beetle logo window, directions on the side, and the color of the polish on a sticker on the top of the box. Inside you get a little application manual and you get the bottle of gel nicely packaged between a piece of cushiony foam. The first thing I noticed was that the sticker shade on top of the bottle was a completely different color than the actual bottle. But when I opened it, I realized that the color inside better coordinates with the sticker than the bottle. I went on the website and it looks like all of the Beetle's Gel bottles are just pastel, so definitely go by the sticker or swatch colors online. I'm using the color in 034, which is a pretty medium toned pink. The brush it comes with is your basic gel brush, not too wide, not too thin, and the consistency was also neither too runny or too thick. So let's try it out. The instructions say to first trim, buff, and clean the nails prior to application. This is going to help the gel adhere better and make it last longer. Because this is a one-step gel, that means you can go right into applying the color gel. No base coat needed or top coat needed. The instructions also said to give the bottle a mix before opening, and I guess that's just to make sure all the ingredients are combined well. The first coat applied smoothly, and I ended up really liking the formula of the gel. Some gel polishes I've worked with were just too runny and they shifted around too much before I had the chance to cure them. This one stayed in place, and it also self-leveled very nicely. However, it was very sheer. One coat pretty much just tinted my nails. My nail line was still very visible. Now we're just going to go ahead and cure that first coat, and the instructions say to cure it in an LED lamp for 45 seconds. This product claimed to be odorless, but while the gel was curing and afterwards, it definitely had a smell. Not as chemically as some gels, but it really wasn't pleasant. It almost smelled like popcorn. I know that's weird, but that's the best way I can describe it. I'm sure if you had a window open or you were in a very well ventilated place, it wouldn't be as noticeable, but if you're sensitive to smells, you're definitely gonna notice this. The second coat covered more, but because my nails are so long right now, I could still faintly see my nail line, so I will be doing 3 coats of this color to get it fully opaque. If you have shorter nails, 2 coats would probably be enough for you. And like I said earlier, because this is a one-step gel, you don't need to remove any tacky layers or top coat it. They come out of the lamp dry and shiny. So if you can put up with the weird smell, I think this gel works nicely and it looks really pretty. The brand claims you can get 14 days of wear out of this. I didn't go that long, but I did wear it for 2 days straight and I didn't have any lifting or chips. But does it actually remove with just alcohol? The instructions say to file off the top shine of the gel and use a cotton ball soaked in 100% alcohol. It says to use the foil method, but I'm going to use my little nail clips because that's just what I had on hand. It says to soak them for 10 minutes, but after 10 minutes, the gel was still very much on. I tried to carefully lift the edges with a wooden stick, but it wasn't budging, so I soaked them for 10 more minutes. After 20 minutes of soaking, some of the nails kinda started to loosen up around the edges, but it still wasn't really coming off like normal. And after 30 minutes, just my pinky and my ring nail were kind of chipping off, but it was still on the majority of the nail. So I was like, I'm gonna try just regular acetone. And literally not even 10 minutes later, it flaked right off. So unfortunately, I don't think this comes off with alcohol like it claims. Definitely not in 10 minutes. But that being said, it did come off really well with regular acetone. But if you guys have tried this brand out and had a different experience, let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to watch more helpful CutePolish videos, click on these boxes, and you can click on the circle here to subscribe for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can just click on the circle here.